Hello everybody, today I'm going to be touring the new filming space. Let's get straight into tour. This is the entrance, this is what you see looked in. On this first wall, you'll see a few shelves, and I put my Rocky Colors and my King Frog up there. And then these are my discs, including the dev disc. Then there's this little organ, pipe organ. And then there's this shelf, which my friends customized. I customized some part of the shelves, but they customized the top shelf, and they made this, the bush right here. And then there's my green screen camera area. Either I can set it here, I can make a green screen, or I could set it up here and either look there and me be in the air or something. So yeah, that's that. And then we have like fairy lights and a few speakers around here. And then this is my couch where I put most of my areas. I like the symbols, I don't know why, but that's what I put for my camera stand. So this is where I film all of my intros and my outros. Now it's time to move on outside. So you don't really see anything here right now, but if you turn here, I have a few portions for some videos I did, and then we have this unfinished rocket ship. Yeah, that's also the rocket from the Madeline May video. This is one of my favorite areas. This is the waterfall and the little frogs hidden in there. And then these all are decorated for 4th of July, which in fact is tomorrow when I'm filming this. So yeah, that is my brand new filming space. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!